Good morning, students. Today we are going to talk about the site of respiration. In eukaryotic organisms which normally perform aerobic respiration, so site of respiration is mitochondria cell organelle. Okay. Two important step of aerobic respiration. Take place in mitochondria, that is Krebs cycle, and second step electron transfer system or electron transfer chain. Okay, let's see structure of mitochondria. As we know that mitochondria are double membranous cell organelle. Okay, and both membrane, the outer and inner membrane, are made up of lipid and proteins. Outer membrane is smooth, but inner membrane is folded in finger-like projection inside the matrix. Okay, it is the outer membrane, outer mitochondrial membrane. Folded inner membrane, of mitochondria, and space between outer membrane and inner membrane is known as perimitochondrial space. It's have 40 to 70 angstrom diameter. Okay, on the surface of this folded region or finger-like projection of inner membrane is known as cristae, and singular form crista. Cristae are the several finger-like projection of inner membrane. On the surface of cristae, elementary particles are attached, which are also known as oxysomes or F0 F1 particle. These are found in several numbers on the surface of inner membrane. But here we only represent the few numbers. Okay. Inner side semi-fluid is filled up, which is known as matrix, which contain double-strand circular DNA, 70S ribosomes, enzymes for Krebs cycles, phospholipids, RNA and proteins. Okay. So these particles are known as oxysomes or F0 F1 particles. Okay. Enzymes for Krebs cycle, matrix, semi-fluid region of mitochondria known as matrix, and it's have single, double-stranded DNA, 70S ribosomes, phospholipids, proteins, RNA. Okay. Inner membrane have electron transfer system, ETS and F0F1 particle help in ATP synthesis. Okay. Electron transfer system, in short ETS. F0F1 particles for ATP synthesis, so it is the structure of mitochondria. Outer black line represent outer membrane of mitochondria and it is eukaryotic type. And inner membrane is prokaryotic type. Because mitochondria is a semi-autonomous cell organelle and it is not part of a cell because it enter from outside. और ये पहले बैक्टीरिया था, रिकेट्सिया, और वी कैन सी सो इनर मेम्ब्रेन बैक्टीरिया की खुद की थी, आउटर मेम्ब्रेन सेल मेम्ब्रेन जो सेल की है. बोथ मेम्ब्रेन आर मेड ऑफ लिपिड एंड प्रोटीन्स बट रेशियो ऑफ प्रोटीन एंड लिपिड्स आर वेरी इन बोथ मेम्ब्रेन. आउटर मेम्ब्रेन have 60% protein and 40% lipid. Inner membrane have 70% protein and 30% lipid. Okay, let's see structure of oxisome or F0F1 particle. F0F1 particle have three parts: head, stalk and base. F0 lies in membrane and stalk and head region lies to outside. As you know that cell membrane is composed of both lipid and proteins, and lipid is in hydrophobic nature. So F0 is hydrophobic and F1 hydrophilic. Due to this, it lies outside in matrix region and it have ATP synthetase enzyme. ATP synthetase enzyme for ATP synthesis. It is the function of oxysome. Okay. So F0 part is hide in the inner membrane, only stalk and head region visible. Now we are going to talk about the mechanism of aerobic respiration. In aerobic respiration, major three steps are occurs. Krebs cycle and ETS take place in mitochondria, but common step or common process in both aerobic and anaerobic take place in cytoplasm, because glycolysis is the common step which lies in both type of respiration. So aerobic respiration completed in three steps. First, glycolysis. Second, Krebs cycle. And third, electron transfer system. Krebs cycle, also known as tricarboxylic acid or TCA. Sometimes it is also known as ETC. Firstly, we are going to talk about the glycolysis. Glycolysis word originated from a Greek word Glykos means glucose and lysis means breakdown. Okay, it means breakdown of glucose molecule is known as glycolysis. And it is a complex biochemical process involve 10 steps. Glycolysis process completed in 10 steps and it is complex biochemical process. Now important point, glycolysis pathway is also known as EMP path. Why glycolysis is known as EMP path? Because this process worked out by 3 scientists Emberden, Meyerhoff and Paranas. That's why it is known as EMP. Emberden E, Meyerhoff M and Paranas P. So combined known as EMP path. So EMP path is the secondary name of glycolysis. Now definition. Of glycolysis. Breakdown of glucose molecule into pyruvic acid through a series of biochemical process along with release of energy in the form of ATP and NADH2. It's known as glycolysis. Okay.